got my bag, my outfit. First time ever to go to Mount Si. Making it to the bus stop where I'm gonna rent a car from Enterprise Rent a Car, pick up my friend Jack. I'm feeling very good. It's gonna be 56 degrees. It's clear now, a bit chilly, but it's good. So I got this Sonata Hyundai for $30. It's my first time ever to drive in America. I got on the carpool lane. I was very stressed to drive, but as you see here, I have a very beautiful car, Sonata from Enterprise. Thank you, Enterprise, so much for giving me a great car, great service as well. And this is Seattle in January, winter time, 56, beautiful. Whoever told you that Seattle is not a nice place, tell them to F off. Hey buddy.
Put that fucking thing away.
I'm filming the whole freaking trip.
So you can see there's a little bit of snow cap, but there isn't really, like, normally at this time, maybe not this time of year, maybe like a couple weeks from now. I mean, I guess it is January, so really it should be normal, but all those mountains should be snow capped right now.
What does that mean?
Basically it means that you can get your name on the road, and you sponsor construction on the road. It's a steep climb. Mount Si's quite a good climb.
So I finally made it here. We have to purchase some Discovery Pass, which is $11.50. You can do it all online, and then you just write the number on a piece of paper and you put it like that. Anyway, I got my Polar Watch, I got my GPS, and I got my heart rate monitor. So I'm gonna tell you how many calories I've burned, elevation, distance. We're here, we're going here. Okay, I'm gonna drink from this water. It's mountain water, and Jack here doesn't recommend it very much. So
no, I think it's stupid. I think if
you prayers, please God, make this water.
Okay, you're a madman. Probably a dead squirrel in there somewhere.
Yeah, it's good. So if you ever feel thirsty, you can drink here, and I'm still alive. I have Jack here going at a pace of 5.8 kilometers an hour. So Jack claims his heart rate, the current heart rate now he's going at, is just broken 90. And I'm going at 157. So where are we going? Snook Valley Overlook, or are we going Talus Loop?
Snook.
Snook.
What do you have?
A lot, like maybe 2. I'm using a GoPro Hero 4 Black, and it's been so good so far. So I want to thank the company, GoPro company.
Come closer. See the way the bark kind of peels away in chunks. It's kind of like layered, like scale mail.
Uh-huh. Two kilometers in 15 minutes, 20 seconds.
Main rules. 1, respect the trail, respect the environment. So that means stay on the trail if there is a trail. Don't bushwhack unless it's a bushwhack territory. Don't go off the trail. Don't pass someone and stop. Make sure you yield to uphill groups. Make sure you let people be aware of your presence before you try to pass them.
Hey man, could you tell me a bit about your experience so far with the trail?
So we're a little bit past the halfway point, climbing up Mount Si, right here in North Bend, Washington. It's a pretty intense second part, it starts to get really steep right here, and once we get up a little bit further, it's going to turn to rocks. So we're taking a break right now, trying to eat, and then here pretty soon we'll get up to the top.
So coming up to almost 4 kilometers in 1 hour, which is about 2.5 or 2.6 miles so far. We're trying to relax, but Jack is not giving us enough time.
On the trail, you don't relax.
So almost 5 kilometers, 1 hour 18 minutes, but take away about 5 minutes because I forgot to start the watch. Got 1 mile to go, hopefully, isn't it? 1 mile to go?
Wow.
Yeah. About? Cool.
You see a little bit of everything. I've seen people in business slacks and like button-up shirts and dress shoes. And there's also people that train for Denali and Aconcagua and bigger summits.
A tip for first timers?
It's not a race. Find a speed that works for you, find a speed you can maintain. Don't beat yourself up about it. Go out and have fun.
1 second. Heart rate is 160, 4.7 kilometer an hour pace, 550 kilometers so far, 1 hour 25 minutes. There you go, this is a summit. So 5.67 kilometers, 1 hour 31 minutes. It's about 1200 calories burned, which is not bad.
Yeah.
I made it here to the top, Mount Si, first time ever. It's relatively easy. Need a lot of leg muscles and a bit of endurance and fitness and water. So this is me, Sharif, day enjoyer, coming to you from Mount Si. Only this bit here and here. So we're having sesh appeal, me and Jack here. Bad idea. Make sure you bring your sunglasses. Loading up on some calories and then we're gonna head back. Just started our descent. 1 hour 11, 5.76 kilometers. So this is us finally after we made it 3 hours or maybe less. It's not as bad as you think. You need some good shoes and some spirit like this guy here. So
Absolutely.
thank
Gotta
you,
get
Jack.
it done.
Thank you,
Fast
State of Washington. Thank you, Mount Si. So I got the Hawaiian. Oh my gosh, look at that. Jack got Jack Daniels. So we're gonna get our caffeine boost at Issaquah Coffee. Very kind of him.